this video, we will learn about inverse of matrix. For inverse of matrix, we know that how to find minors of given matrix. Okay, so in a determinant, a minor of an element is a determinant by omitting row and column in which that element present. Okay, I repeat, in a determinant, a minor of an element is a determinant by omitting row and column in which that element present. Now, first we will see how to find minor of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, suppose A equals A11, A12, A22, A23. So first we want to find out minor of 2 by 2 matrix, that is A matrix. Okay, see, first element is M11. So see, by definition, determinant by omitting row and column in which that element present. So first we want to find out first row and first column of minor. So we neglect first row and first column. So remaining part is A23, right? Same as it is M12. For this minor, we want to neglect first row and second column, that is first row this and second column this. So remaining part is A22, right? Next, M21. So for this minor, we want to neglect second row and first column, that is second row and first column. So remaining part is A12, right? Next, for A22, see, for this minor we want to neglect second row and second column. The second row, second column, so we get A11. So here we done to find minor of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, next, suppose we have 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, 32 and A33, which is 3 by 3 matrix, right? So first we want to find out M11, that is a minor of first row and first column. So first we neglect first row and first column. So remaining part is a determinant of A22, A23, A32 and A33. Okay, this is our minor of 1, 1. Okay, we want to solve this determinant, then we get them in number. Okay, say A12, M12. For this we want to neglect first row and second column, that is first row, second column. So remaining part is A21, A31, A23, A33. Okay, same as it is 1, 3. Now we have 3 by 3 matrix. In last example we have 2 by 2 matrix, so we want to find out only M11, M12, M21 and by 3 matrix, we want to find out M11, M12, M13, M21, M22 and all for each entry of matrix A. Okay, so for minor M13, we want to neglect first row and third column. So remaining part is this. This is our minor of M13. Okay, and all. Suppose M21. So we want to neglect second row and first column. Second row and first column. So remaining part is A12, A13, A32 and A33. Right? Okay. Next, M22. For this, we want to neglect second row, second column. Second row, second column. So we get A11, A13, A31 and A33. Okay, and all. We want to find each and every minor of each entry. Okay. Now second part is we will see in example how to find minors. Okay. So first we want to know that what is the cofactor of matrix. There is a one formula for cofactor. Cij equals minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Mij is nothing but minor of A. Okay. Suppose we have 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So first we want to find out C11. So formula become minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11. So we know that what is the minor of 1, 1? We want to neglect first row and first column. So remaining part is the minor of that entry. So we get A22. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, which is minus 1 plus raised to 2. And M11 is A22. So we get minus 1 raised to 2 is 1. Answer is A22. Okay. Same as it is for C12. Formula will become minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12. So answer is minus 1 raised to 3, and from neglecting first row and second column we get A21. So we get minus of A21. Why? Because minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. Okay. So next C21. Then formula become minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21. Right? So we get minus 1 raised to 3, and A21 is we want to neglect second row and second column. So we get A11. We want to neglect second row and first column. So we get A12, and answer is A minus of A12. Okay. Next we want to find C22. For C22, formula become minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. We want to neglect second row, second column. So we get A11. So minus 1 raised to 4 into A11, which is answer is A11. So what is a cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix will become C. First entry of C11, it is C11 is A22, C12. So in first row and second column, the entry of this minus A21. Next, for C21, answer is minus of A12, right? And for C2, answer is A11. Okay, this is our cofactor of A. Okay, now we want to find out adjoint of A. Adjoint matrix is obtained by transpose of cofactor matrix. It is a transpose of matrix, transpose of cofactor matrix. Okay, now for the previous example, adjoint of A is a transpose of that cofactor matrix. So we first row it's become first column and second row will become second column. So this is our adjoint of A. Okay, see, first we will see that how to find minor of matrix. So next we want to find out cofactor of matrix. After that we want to find adjoint of matrix. Okay, so first, what is inverse of matrix? See, there is a one formula for inverse of matrix. Inverse of A is equals adjoint of A divides determinants of A. Okay, now for adjoint of A we want to find out minors, after that cofactor for each entry, after that we get adjoint of A. Okay, so we know that how to find minors, cofactor and adjoint of A. So there is one example. Find inverse of the inverse of 6, 5, 2, 1. Okay, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So first we want to find out determinant of A. We know that how to find determinant of A. We want just cross multiply 6 into 1 minus 2 into 5. So we get 6 minus 10, which is minus 4. Right? Now we want to find out inverse of matrix. So write the formula of inverse of matrix, which is adjoint of A divides determinant of A. For adjoint of A we want to find out cofactor, right? Sorry, we want to find out minors for each entry. So first minor is M11. So we neglect first row and first column, so we get 1, right? Next M12. We want to neglect first row and second column, so remaining part is 2. Next M21. Second row, first column, so we get 5. Next M22. Second row, second column, so we get 6. Right? Now C11. See, we know that what is the formula of cofactor? Minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Right? So C11 will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. So we get minus 1 raised to 2 is a plus 1 and M11 is 1. Okay. Next C12. Formula will become minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. So we get minus 1 raised to 3, which is minus 1, and M12 is 2. So we get minus 2. Next, C21. Formula will become minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 is 3. So minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 and M21 is 5. So we get minus 5. Next, C22. Formula will become minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 M22. So answer is minus 1 raised to 4, which is plus 1, and M22 is 6. So answer is 6. Okay. Now write this as a cofactor matrix. C11 is 1, C12 is minus 2, C21 is a minus 5, C22 is 6. After that, we want to find out adjoint of A, which is transpose of cofactor. So row become column 1 minus 1. Okay, this is our adjoint. Our formula is this. So okay, so determinant of A is a minus 4, right? And adjoint of A is 1 minus 5 minus 2 6. Just divide each entry to minus 4. So we get inverse of given matrix. This is our A inverse for given matrix. Okay. Now this is this. See, in this example we learn how to find inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Now in next example we will see how to find inverse of matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay. Example is A equals 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 and 0 minus 2 1. Okay. So first, as it is, we first find out determinant of A. So we know that how to find determinant, omitting first row, first column. So we get determinant of 2 by 2, 3 0 minus 2 1, right? Next, minus of 2 into, we omitting first row, second column. So remaining part is minus 1 0 and 0 1, minus 2 into, we neglect first row and third column. So remaining part will be this entry. So we get 3 into 1 3, minus 2 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and 2 into 2, 0 into 0 is 0, minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2 will be 2, and 0 into 3 is 0. So we get 3 plus 2 minus 4. So first we subtract. So answer is minus 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so our determinant is 1. Okay, now we want to find out minors of determinant A. Minors of A. Okay, so first M11. For this we want to neglect first row, first column. So remaining part is 3 0 minus 2 1. So we want to find out this determinant. So just cross multiply. 3 into 1 is 3 and 0 into minus 2 is 0. So answer is 3. Next, M12. For this we want to neglect first row, second column. So we get minus 1, 0, 0, 1. Answer is cross multiply. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into 0, 0. So minus 1, minus 0 is minus 1. Next, M13. For this first row and third column. So remaining part is minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2. So we get minus 1 into minus 2, which is 2, and 0 into 3 is 0. Next, M21. Second row, first column. So remaining part is 2 minus 2 and minus 2 into minus 2 and 1. So after cross multiply, 2 into 1, 2, minus of minus 2 into minus 2, which is 4. So answer is minus 2. Next, M22. M22. For this we neglect second row and second column. So remaining part is 1 minus 2, 0, 1. Answer is 1. Next, M23. For this second row and third column. So remaining part is 1, 2, 0, minus 2. So answer is minus 2. Next, M31. For this we want to neglect third row and first column. So remaining part is 2 minus 2, 3, 0. So answer is 2 into 0 is 0. Minus of 3 into minus 2, which is minus 6. So answer is plus 6. Right? Next, M32. Third row and second column. Remaining part is 1 minus 2, minus 1, 0. So we get 0 minus of minus 1 into minus 2. So we get plus 2. So answer is minus 2. Last, M33. For this we want to neglect third row and third column. So we get 1, 2, minus 1, 3. After cross multiply, 3 minus of minus 2, answer is 5. Okay. So now we are done to find out minors of A. So now find out cofactor for each entry. So first C11. What is the formula of cofactor of Cij? Cij equals minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So for this formula will become minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11. So answer is minus 1 raised to 2 is a plus 1 and M11 is 3. So answer is 3. Next, C12. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, 3, and M into M12. Answer is minus 1 and minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1, minus of minus 1, which is plus 1. Next, C13. For C13, formula will become minus 1 raised to 4 into M13. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 and M13 is a 2. So answer is 2. Next, C21. Formula is become minus 1 raised to 3 M21. So answer is minus of minus 2, which is plus 2. Next, C22. Answer is minus 1 raised to 4 M22. So we get 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Next, C23. Formula will become minus 1 raised to 5 into M23. Minus 1 raised to 5 is a minus 1 and M23 is minus 2. So answer is plus 2. Next, C31. Formula become minus 1 raised to 4 M31. M31 is 6 and minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. So answer is 6. C32. formula will become minus 1 raised to 5 into m32. m32 is a minus 2, so minus of minus 2 will be plus 2. Okay, last is C33. Formula is become minus 1 raised to 6 into m33. m33 is a 5, so answer is 5 because minus 1 raised to 6 is plus 1. Okay, so we are done to find out cofactor. So write this cofactor in matrix form. Okay, first what is C11? 3, C12 1, C13 2, C21 2, C22 1, C23 2, C31 6, C32 2, and last is 5. This is our cofactor. Okay. Now we want to write adjoint of A, which is transpose of cofactor. So first row will become first column, second row will be second column, and third row will be third column. This is our adjoint of A. So we know that formula of A inverse, which is A divides determinants of A into adjoint of A. We find out the determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1 and adjoint of matrix is 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5. So our answer is 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5. Okay, this is our A inverse. We are done here. Thank you.